popping out? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? So today I wanted to give you guys this natural brown makeup tutorial, but if you don't know, I'm from Florida, okay? And it's about 60 degrees outside and I'm so cold. Y'all see my teddy bear jacket? Like, it is too cold. So I decided I wanted to give you guys a hydrating makeup tutorial. Basically, if you have dry skin or you just want to look very hydrated even though it's basically snowing outside. I don't know where y'all at, but if it's snowing, this is still for you. This is just like a, a cute look that you can achieve and still look hydrated, because, we all suffer. And, not all of us have dry skin because some people have extremely oily skin. But, in these weathers, if you have combination to dry skin, this video is going to be for you. Basically, I still set my face, did all the baking that I do just to make sure my makeup stays put. But I still look very healthy and very, hydrated versus looking very mattified and, just not necessarily dry, but you look very matte. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys this look, sweetie, okay? I always keep it simple. I never do too much in my videos. And then also I wanted to use, semi-inexpensive products. I'm not over here using YSL and Marc Jacobs. These are all affordable, drugstore friendly, hair store friendly. Some of them might come from Sephora. I don't even know which is like from Sephora. The only thing that might be a little that I use that's not like sold in like Walgreens, it would be maybe my concealers. This concealer is Juvias Place, black owned company. You gotta support, you gotta stand, I'm saying. Oh, and then this for my inner crease, I use the Carli bybel palette because I just love these highlighters. Like this, baby, stop playing me. Okay, y'all, so if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, keep watching. Hey pretties, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Carmac. This is my favorite lip moisturizer, putting that on my lips because when I put my lipstick on, we don't want no cracked up lips, none of that. So we're gonna let that marinate, okay? So next up, I'm going to take my face moisturizer. This is my Clean and Clear Dual Action and my Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. And I'm going to put both of these creams on my face. And I'm just going to like massage that in to my pores just so my face has something to kind of sip on throughout the day and throughout the cold weather. Because if you skip this step, your skin is going to try to sip on foundation, concealer, and you don't want that. We don't want those type of problems. So we're just going to moisturize my face. Next up with my Juvias Place concealer. The colors I'm using will be listed down below. I'm just going to create a base with this concealer. It is very full coverage, so it cancels out any discoloration on my eyes, and then it dries down very nice so we can, use it as a base. So after we blend that in with a beauty blender or just a makeup sponge, with my black Radiance contour palette, this is in medium deep, those two browns that I showed you, first I'm going to place the light brown on my outer crease, and I'm just going to tap that into my skin or my eye. Then with that darker brown, I'm going to tap that onto the lid. This is going to give us this, smoky brown look. With that very light brown, kind of like a beige color, I'm going to smoke that out into my brow bone because you want to make the colors look nice and seamless and blend it very well together. My NYX, I can't remember the name of this, but it'll be listed down below. But with my NYX liquid liner, I'm just going to create a very calm wing liner. Now that I'm looking at this, I think this look would have been really fire with a big bold wing, but I just did something kind of calm and natural here, nothing too crazy. I really wanted this look to focus on the skin and just something so moisturized. For my Carli bybel palette, I'm taking that champagne gold and that icy white highlighter, and I'm putting that on my inner tear duct. NYX Hydration Primer. I love this. So don't think because we moisturize our skin OD that you skip on the hydrating primer. This is my favorite hydrating primer. It really preps my skin for foundations. I just love it. this is probably my favorite part. I love putting this hydrating primer on my face. Now with my Fenty hydrating foundation, everything is hydrating, sweetie, okay? You cannot achieve this look with a soft matte to matte foundation. You need hydrating. Dewy hydrating. So I'm taking my, I believe that is my Real Techniques brush, listed down below, but with this Real Techniques foundation brush, I'm just kind of stamping that on my skin. And I just like to spread the foundations with this initially, and then you'll see later on I'll go in with the sponge. Now the reason why I use a sponge is because the brush kind of leaves, you can kind of see a little bit of streaks, and the sponge kind of blurs that out, and it gives us this skin-like look. I really like looking natural. Back with my Juvias Place concealer, I'm gonna take this, create some triangles. We're highlighting the points of my face that I want to emphasize, period, okay? And I hope this tutorial is easy to follow because I kind of elongated a lot of the clips. But with this sponge, FYI, I got this sponge from the beauty supply store. You can buy any sponge as long as it's mega soft. Oh my god, it blends out perfectly. But yeah, I'm just blending out the concealer that we placed. Now here, I don't know why I didn't show it, but I'm using my Laurel Mercier setting powder. So with the setting powder, sometimes the powder can dry out the skin. If you have extremely dry skin, I would be very light-handed with it, but it's just to set the makeup. Now back with my contour palette, my favorite contour color right there, the light brown. I use that to bring some warmth and color back into my skin. I'm sorry, I was really rapping, and like I really should have put the clips of the music in the background, but I kind of canceled it out. But this whole time, if you see my lips moving, it was because I was listening to music. But now I'm putting in that highlighter, and I'm using that really white highlighter. You can use very white highlighters. You just have to be light-handed with it because it's going to give you kind of like a silver glow versus a white ashy look. But yeah, I'm just using that, and I'm being very, very light-handed with it just because I wanted it to match, you know, the highlight that I already have on my face. That highlight is just gorgeous, and I love my nose highlights. Now with my NYX Hydrating Finish Dewy Setting Spray, you know, we gotta keep the hydrating train going, okay? So I'm just spraying my face, letting that dry, and this is the face. Tell me the skin is not looking scrumptious. Scrumdiddlyocious. I don't fucking know. But yeah, right here I'm just wiping off the foundation that I had on my lips. Oh my god, that is just the worst look. I hate when girls have foundation on their lips and they just throw like lip gloss on. Like please, please, let's not do that. But here with my NYX, I'm not sure what color this is. It's probably Abu Dhabi, but listed down below in the description box. I'm going to take this color, then I'm also going to put some lip gloss on top of it. The reason why I didn't keep it matte is because everything on my face was kind of like dewy and glossy and just pretty. So I wanted to keep that look going on with the lips. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Like, I love this look. I think I look so freaking cute. Y'all, so that's the end of this video, and I hope you guys are messing with it. Okay, sweetie, I'm giving you guys affordable, I'm giving you guys hydrating, I'm giving you guys winter, I'm giving you guys it. I mean, what more can you ask for, sweetie? Come on. So all the items that I use will be listed down below in my description box. And yeah, if you're not following me on social media, that means Instagram, Snapchat. I'm about to make a Pinterest, TikTok, all of that. Y'all need to follow me everywhere, okay? Period. Team Stacie for the takeover. Make sure you guys follow me everywhere. But if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you didn't like this video already, go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and I'll see you till the next video. Bye, y'all.